It's 2026, and the iPad Air M4 and Surface Pro 12 are finally facing off. So, which should you buy in 2026? Watch till the end before you buy, because by the end, you'll know exactly which is the winner. I've included links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Please like the video, it helps me a lot. Let's get started. The iPad Air M4 and Microsoft Surface Pro 12 represent two distinct philosophies in the premium tablet space, despite both aiming for a balance of portability and power. Apple sticks with its tried-and-true aluminum unibody, a design that feels incredibly rigid and premium despite a razor-thin 6.1mm profile. It is an exercise in minimalism that feels light in the hand, even in the larger 13-inch configuration. Meanwhile, the Surface Pro 12 leans into its heritage with a magnesium alloy chassis that feels equally durable but more inherently functional due to its signature integrated kickstand. This kickstand remains a highlight, offering a level of stability and versatility for drawing or viewing angles that the iPad cannot match without adding an external accessory. When looking at physical connectivity, the differences become even sharper. The iPad Air provides a single USB-C port that is quite capable with 10 gigabits per second speeds and support for 6K external displays, though the one-port life often necessitates a hub for complex setups. Microsoft has shifted the Surface Pro 12 toward a similar USB-C future, ditching the proprietary Surface Connect port in favor of two USB-C ports. This adds a layer of convenience for charging and using peripherals simultaneously, although the lack of Thunderbolt support on this model keeps it on a similar data speed tier as the iPad. Both devices have embraced Wi-Fi 7 to future-proof their wireless performance, yet they also share the modern trend of omitting the headphone jack. The Surface's 12-inch frame sits right between Apple's two-size offerings, feeling more like a dedicated tablet than previous hybrids, though it retains slightly thicker bezels compared to the Air's more uniform, modern aesthetic. The visual experience on these two tablets offers a clear trade-off between fluid movement and color precision. The Surface Pro 12 features a 90 Hz refresh rate that makes navigating Windows feel noticeably smoother than the 60 Hz limit on the iPad Air's Liquid Retina display, though the iPad tends to offer better peak brightness for outdoor visibility. When it comes to video calls, both devices prioritize a landscape orientation, but they tackle the experience differently. The iPad Air uses a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with center stage to keep the user framed, while the Surface Pro 12 relies on a 1080p webcam enhanced by unique AI-driven eye contact features. Input Methods highlights two very different design philosophies. The iPad Air's Magic Keyboard provides a rigid, laptop-like feel with a very responsive trackpad, whereas the Surface Pro 12 uses its iconic magnetic type cover. While the Surface keyboard offers excellent key travel, it still struggles with stability on a lap due to the kickstand design, a problem the iPad's cantilevered hinge largely avoids. Audio performance is surprisingly competitive. Both deliver clear vocals for meetings and media, though they both lack the deep bass found in their higher-end Pro counterparts. Battery life is perhaps the most defining functional difference. While the iPad Air remains a consistent 10-hour machine, the Snapdragon chip in the Surface Pro 12 provides exceptional standby efficiency and can push significantly longer during video playback. Both tablets require an additional investment for their best keyboards and styluses, and both have largely moved away from the legacy headphone jack. The iPad Air M4 is built around a silicon architecture that frequently blurs the line between mobile and desktop power, utilizing an 8-core CPU and 12 GB of memory to provide a highly responsive experience. Microsoft's Surface Pro 12 counters with the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus, which features an 8-core ARM-based processor and 16 GB of RAM. While the Snapdragon chip excels at maintaining a cool, silent environment for daily productivity, the M4 chip typically commands a lead in raw processing throughput and heavy multitasking capabilities. When it comes to creative editing, the iPad Air has evolved into a formidable machine for professional applications like Final Cut Pro, where the M4 chip's rendering efficiency ensures smooth playback even in complex timelines. The Surface Pro 12 handles photography-centric workloads in Adobe Lightroom or basic graphic design quite well, but it begins to throttle when faced with high-resolution 4K video exports or intensive rendering tasks. It serves as a reliable tool for casual creators, whereas the iPad Air leans closer to sustained professional-grade performance. The gaming experience presents perhaps the most distinct contrast. The iPad Air is capable of running demanding console-level titles with high graphical fidelity, though the experience is physically capped by its 60 Hz display. On the other hand, the Surface Pro 12 and its Adreno GPU are primarily designed for efficiency, making the device better suited for indie games, mobile-style titles, or cloud gaming. It lacks the sustained graphical power required for modern AAA games, which frequently encounter performance dips under load that the M4 handles with relative ease. Ultimately, the iPad Air M4 is our 2026 winner. While the Surface Pro 12 is a battery beast with a smoother 90 Hz display, it simply can't compete with the M4's raw power for 4K editing and console-level gaming. If you want the most capable, future-proof machine that handles real work, the iPad Air is the smartest buy.